to the DreamWorks Theater. It's showtime. Mika, lights. Well, that could have gone better. All right, boys, places. Let's put on a show. Hey, where's my macchiato? Get ready for the Donkey and Shrek show.
You mean the Shrek and Donkey show?
Yeah, both dogs. I guest star show.
Oh, come on. I know you all here to see me, right?
If you folks came to see anybody, you came to see me.
But I'm the cutest!
And I'm the sweetest.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show.
See what?
Says who?
Says everybody here, right? Especially these guys in front and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans. Look! The helmet of Master Thunder and Rhino.
I see your Thunder and Rhino and raise you one talking donkey.
Wait, look at this. The Sword of Heroes.
Oh, aren't we hoity-toity fancy?
And the coolest thing of all, the Ming Hammer. A relic so powerful, it can knock you into the spirit realm.
Check these. I can't compete with that.
Hold it! Oh, you've just received a message from the Emperor!
Ooh. My clever son has been asked to make a special delivery for the Emperor.
How do you know that?
Simple. I read his mail.
Is that the delivery?
Oh, that looks important.
It's more than important. This is the liquid of ultimate power.
Well, if the Emperor needs that delivery, then we'll make sure he gets it. Right, guys?
But we may not all survive.
Okay, good luck with that.
Poppy reporting for duty.
She said duty! Sorry, guys. I think we may need some warriors that are a little, bigger.
Aww. Wait, I know something fun. Let's have a tea party.
That's the boat.
Ooh, how about if you guys come as backup?
You're serious?
This is gonna be great! Meet you inside.
I must have that liquid. Oh, with the Ming Hammer, the liquid of ultimate power will be mine. Come on! Before Shooter changes his mind.
I heard that. Just kidding! Hey, buddy, can you give us a hand with these doors? Hey, everybody, are you ready to go? Okay, guys, fill her up! Oh, Dad, let me help you.
Oh, you're such a good son.
Oh!
Hey, you there, Mr. Butterfingers. Be careful with that.
Hang on, everybody, this should be quite a ride. Imperial Palace, here we come. This is so exciting. Oh, watch where you're going. We're going to hit those rocks.
Hang on, everybody.
That's weird. It's like the river just ends up ahead. Let me see that. According to the map, it's a waterfall.
Fire King! I must have that bottle! No! That is for you, and this is for the Emperor! Watch for the spikes! Oh, Dad! Ah, the liquid of ultimate power is mine! Just in time! You guys still back there? Hang on, we're almost there! I'm so excited! We're gonna get the Emperor! Hey, buddy, we're here!
The Dragon Warrior! Your Imperial Highness, it is with great pleasure Fire King. Really?
I will defeat you in the Spirit Realm! It's a thing. You're outnumbered. 3-1. Not for long! Give me that bottle! Oh, no, you don't! You're no match for my hammer! Come on, Dad! Fools! Think again! True, Panda! Your father or the bottle? Here it comes, Dad! Grab it!
the Dragon Warrior!
I'm sorry. I lost your special delivery.
You are my special delivery.
Wait, me?
Then what was in that bottle?
The secret ingredient to my hot
Dad, your hot sauce is awesome!
And your tongue is as formidable as your kung fu.
Yeah, well, I've had a lot of training. Oh, I almost forgot! Bye, guys!